The Adventures of Daisy the Duck. Daisy was a little white duck who lived at the edge of a big pond. She loved to quack happily every morning as the sun rose. Daisy's wings sparkled in the sunlight, and she liked to waddle around with her friends, Pip and Peep. One day, Daisy heard a strange sound. "Quack, quack!" she called to Pip and Peep. "Let's go see what that is." The three friends waddled together to the other side of the pond. First, they saw a baby turtle swimming slowly. "Not the turtle," said Daisy. Next, they found a family of frogs jumping and making little splashes. "Not the frogs," said Pip. Then they noticed a shiny thing in the water. "Look at that," Peep said, pointing with her beak. The shiny thing was a little toy boat. "Wow," whispered Daisy. "Let's play with it." The ducks paddled around the boat, having so much fun. Finally, the sun began to set. The sky turned pink and orange. "Time to go home," said Daisy. They waddled back across the pond, tired but happy. It was a wonderful day, and Daisy couldn't wait for another adventure tomorrow.